If you've ever stood in the mirror, squeezing, scrubbing, and wondering why your blackheads keep coming back, you're not the problem, the method is. Blackheads don't start on the surface. They start much deeper, long before anything reaches your pores. A blackhead forms when excess oil, dead skin, and bacteria collect inside a pore. When that mixture touches oxygen, it darkens. But the real question is, why is your skin producing so much oil in the first place? That answer lives inside your hormones. Daily foods most people think are harmless spike insulin and IGF-1. When those rise, DHT rises with them. DHT is a powerful hormone that enlarges your pores, thickens the oil inside them, and turns your skin into the perfect environment for recurring blackheads. 3 common food groups fuel this cycle: refined carbs, bread, pasta, sweets, cereals; dairy, milk, cheese, yogurt, even kefir; omega-6 oils, soy, corn, canola, cottonseed. Refined carbs push insulin up. Dairy delivers growth signals that overstimulate your oil glands. Omega-6 oils inflame the pore itself. Combine these, and your skin is being pushed toward blackheads all day long. Permanently clearing your skin means removing that internal pressure. Cut refined carbs for 2 weeks. Remove dairy temporarily. Swap omega-6 oils for omega-3 fats like salmon, sardines, or cod liver oil. As your hormones stabilize, your oil production slows, and suddenly, your skin stops fighting you. Now, here is where most people finally see long-term change: borage oil. But not all borage oil works the same. You need oral borage oil capsules with at least 20 to 24% GLA, gamma-linolenic acid. This is the anti-inflammatory omega-6 your skin is starving for. When taken internally, GLA does what topical creams can't. It thins the thick, sticky sebum inside the pore. It reduces oxidation, which makes blackheads darken. It calms the inflammation that keeps pores constantly clogged. Take 1,000 to 1,300 milligrams per day.